Ready? 3, 2, 1. Start. Islamabad is once again in the grip of rumors. Full stop. The latest finding traction revolves around a mysterious campaign that appears to be pushing for a presidential system and even the imposition of an emergency in the country. Full stop. Such rumors are best ignored, but that is hard to do when Parliament sits up and takes notice. Full stop. The opposition has found the matter serious enough to submit a resolution in the National Assembly expressing the resolve to strengthen the parliamentary form of government as provided in the 1973 Constitution. Full stop. When the government imposed through rigged elections, has ruined the country, then whisperings of imposition and exchange in the system through various formulas are being heard, tweeted PMLN MNA SN Iqbal. Full stop. The opposition has also pointed a finger at the PTI government, accusing it of being behind this whisperings campaign. Full stop. Information Minister Fawad Chaudhary has, however, denied this and said such talk is nothing but fake news that the media has picked up from non-verified social media sources. Full stop. This is unfortunately not the first time that such rumors have germinated in our political landscape that is clearly quite fertile for their growth. Full stop. Talk of a presidential system recurs at fairly regular intervals, and that is supported by the usual suspects who blame parliamentary democracy and not the malintent for failures of governance. Full stop. However, most of them suffer from selective memory and conveniently forget that the country has experimented with a presidential system a number of times and with disastrous results. Full stop.